Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about why most of the people want to invest in Edmonton nowadays instead of Calgary. So I get a lot of investors looking at Edmonton in terms of cash flow, and also they want that more because it's more affordable, let's say. So that is when we talk about multifamily. So when people are looking for multifamily, commercial, not really. I don't have too many commercial clients there. Most of my commercial clients are in Calgary, but a lot of people that are new to multifamily or they're looking into getting more doors in multifamily, they are looking at Edmonton. They think it's a better market than Calgary. And I'll tell you what, I believe the opposite. And that's because I have a property in Edmonton, 10 units in Edmonton, and I have property in Calgary. I have lots of clients with property in Calgary. I have fewer clients with property in Edmonton, but I can tell you straight up, Calgary, it's a way more sustainable market. And in Calgary, you're gonna get a better lifestyle. So people like it more. People are gonna stay here for a longer period of time. So a lot of people are moving from Toronto, a lot of people are moving from Vancouver, in Edmonton as well. They move more for the affordability here and then in Edmonton as well, but more people tend to stay here longer than Edmonton. Just because you're closer to mountains, the city's way more livable. We have Chinooks. There's no Chinooks in Edmonton, right? That's a big plus. That's a big plus because in Edmonton, it's just straight winter for 6 months and it's not enjoyable. Honestly. Another thing I can talk about is the rental market, right? So if you look at the rent faster, if you look at the rent market, if you look at the prices for the rentals, you're gonna see that Calgary is way more sustainable, especially inner city. That's number one. Number two, yes, the inventory went up for both of the cities, but Calgary slowly it's coming down. So Calgary is actually sustaining this kind of inventory. It can take it. Edmonton is struggling. Like Edmonton right now, one bedrooms in the basement are $900 to $1,000, which is unreal. Another thing I would say for anybody that's considering Edmonton compared to Calgary, I will say instead of Edmonton, try to look at markets, secondary markets like Red Deer, Lethbridge, Olds, anything that is in between Calgary and Edmonton that has still a very good population of people. So let's say, for example, let's take Red Deer. Red Deer is a city just a little over 100,000 people. But the rental demand there, it's absolutely insane. There's no vacancy almost at all. And I'm a little bit biased because I have property in Red Deer as well, and it's going really well. Again, you're not gonna get a crazy appreciation, even though in the last 2 years, we got really good appreciation in Red Deer. But the cash flow is super strong because a lot of people invest in Edmonton because of the cash flow. I wouldn't do that just because of the cash flow, just for the reasons I mentioned. But also Edmonton, again, another point towards Edmonton is that Edmonton is a big city. It's the capital of Alberta, right? But is as big and is getting as many people also most of the time because of Calgary. Calgary is what puts it on the map, I'll say. And for people that live in Edmonton, they're gonna probably hate on it, but I'll tell you what, Calgary puts Edmonton on the map. And a lot of people go there right now to Edmonton just because of Calgary. Because Calgary started to be very popular in Canada. A lot of people started to move to Calgary. Calgary started to get actually less affordable compared to how it used to be. So then people started to move to Edmonton. Just because when houses started to go up in price, a house here was worth $600,000-$700,000, while in Edmonton it was worth $400,000 to $500,000. So around $200,000 difference. Even now for land, you can get a good piece of land here for $700,000-$800,000. When in Edmonton, you gotta pay $400,000, $500,000, sometimes high 300s, right? So it's a big difference. If you're looking at building, I would say you still have very high chances of building something nice in Edmonton and still be pretty profitable compared to Calgary. Calgary, the margins are way smaller, way thinner. But overall, it's just a better city to live in, Calgary. And again, probably I'm biased because I live here. But Just keep in mind, a lot of people that go to Edmonton, before you buy in Edmonton, I'll tell you from experience, I have property in Edmonton and it's not the greatest thing ever. Like it's okay. Cash flow is not that crazy. Like it's not that crazy compared to Calgary. So just consider it, double check your numbers and consider Calgary before you do Edmonton, or consider Red Deer, consider smaller towns where you can get better cash flow, less competition, better entry price and all that. So with that, thank you so much for watching again. If you're interested in investing anywhere from Lethbridge to Edmonton, shoot me a message on my Facebook, shoot me a message on my phone number that I dropped here below. If you're looking at acquiring off-market deals, exclusive off-market deals, just sign up for my newsletter here at the bottom. And also, you can just email me your phone number. I'm gonna put you on the list. You're gonna get the deals right away to your phone as a text. That's what I do daily. And I send a newsletter every week with deals that are very, very good. Every week I have at least a good deal that you can buy and get into the market at minimum $50,000 to $100,000 profit right away as soon as you get it, because it's gonna be under market value. With that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And keep in mind, Edmonton might not be the best option.